Dixon, move it.
You can.
He won't move, it'll just bite you.
Move, man. You're gonna die. Oh, he's gonna die anyway. It's putting itself off for one out of order.
Oh, it's shitting itself, it's scared.
Oh, for one out of order.
Just push it across it, even though it's going to die.
It's gonna die in it. There ain't even no trees around it, so I don't want it to fall out. Come on, move. Move. Go on. Go on.
Look at Dixon being the good Samaritan. He's just going to walk out and then he's going to get killed anyway.
Move, man. Fucking get on the fucking...
Just pick it up.
I'm not touching that. No way you touch it. No way am I touching it.
Fuck that, I don't want rabies. When you touch his mum.
No.
Oh, you little cunt, is that your mum?
Fucking move.
Just flick it.
You're gonna die, so you might as well move. And I'm not touching it. Where can we put it? There ain't even a box or anything.
Yeah. Yeah, hold that and it'll do it. You push it onto here.
Go and leave me in the manor.
Hang on a minute, I gotta sort of like...
Oh, bless ya.
Come here. Push it onto there.
Go on, off your truck. Go on, go on. Yeah, go on, you can carry that, Lynn.
Fuck off, I'm not carrying it.
Touching that.
You touch it.
Yeah, I'm surfing it. Yeah. I can't, mate. You can help me move it.
Where are we going to put it?
I'm going to put it where that little bay is there. You can.
We're going to lift it then?
No, I'm just putting it there, leave it there. Fuck it.
What about Scott's badge?
Ate my beef. Fuck his badge.
Yeah, get the pin, clip it in. Dang, it might bite me or something, man.
I need a stronger stick, because this is fucking pissing me off.
Just leave it there.
No.
What about if that bird comes down in that fucking green 106?
Stop, let me wait. I'll move it here. Why can't everybody go surfing.
This is going on YouTube, man. This is funny.
Oh shit, no, I'm off a wall, bird. Oh fuck, get back on. You chariot awaits, lad. Hop on, hop on. Hop on, hop on. Get on, man. Stop. Yeah. She's actually smiling now. Oh no. Oh, fuck. I've only got to get to there. Should we just...
No, that's what I mean. Put him on there and then flick him in the tree or something.
Yeah.
Like it, yeah, hang on a minute. Put him on there.
It'll probably fucking die.
Yeah, but put him on there.
You can't stay in there.
Yeah, but at least we fucking put him somewhere.
I don't want to leave it in the road because it'll be dead soon.
Exactly. So we put him in a tree.
I was thinking if we leave him...
Should we call him Alfred?
Oh, it's Alfred.
Come on, Alfred, get in the tree.
You can pick him up.
I ain't fucking picking it up. I don't want to get, like, rabies or anything.
Come on. On your trolley. On your trolley. Get on, man. Get on.
You're going to break his bones?
Get on, man. We're saving you. Yeah, you know that. I mean, I'm not tricking that, mate. I don't want to touch it.
Well, can't we just, like, both pick it up and put it on there?
Yeah.
You can touch it first, though. The flies might eat it, though.
Flies on you.
Flies are very vicious animals, I'll have you know.
I don't want to stick it in my thigh.
No, but if you put him on that twig there on Scott's badge, Scott thinks he's lost the badge anyway, so it don't really matter. Go, Dixon.
Oh my god. Touch me and you're dead, mate. Touch me and you're dead. Touch me and you're
Go, Ace Ventura.
Touch me and you're dead, you know that. No, get the fuck away. Where's I put it? Ah, put it
on there.
No, I'll leave it in there.
Oh,
Don't.
just chuck it.
No, I'm not doing that. Oh, look good! I don't want to leave it there, so I'm fucking gonna walk with it, boy. I don't know where to take it! I'm not putting it there, I'm just putting it there. It'll die there.
You'll die anyway. Oh, don't come near me. You just put him in there. It's a bird.
Oh, it's life out of me. Fuck that, fuck that, fuck that.
Oh, you killed it?
No. Right, that's better than nothing, man. That's better than nothing.
Goodbye, Alfred. Good luck on your trek to accomplishment.
I don't know what else we can do with it. No.
No, I mentioned it so we can see it. Alfred, you have been a good friend. We will love you till the day that we die. We hope that you can succeed in your quest for sex.
I don't know where fucking this was.
Goodbye, Alfred. We love you. At least we got him at home. It's a good thing. I mean, it might only be a badge, but he's still better. Shut up, you little bastard. I'm trying to talk. Oh, well. Goodbye, Alfred.
See you on the way back.
I'll see you in another life.
You might be squashed when we get back, but fuck it.
Oh.